The second question it is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing A is equal to I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, B is equal to 2i minus j cap plus k cap, right? So, unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing two vectors A and B. What is that meaning? Any vector perpendicular to vectors, that vectors A and B lying on the same plane, then cross product, right? So, let us copy this question first. Now, see, suppose a plane containing two vectors A and B. Suppose this is our two vectors A and B. Suppose you have a plane. Suppose this is a plane, right? Suppose this is your A vector and this is your some B vector. Both are lying on the same plane. Okay. Now, another vector perpendicular to this is A cross B. We know, right? A cross B is perpendicular to both A and B. Alright. So, what is the unit vector along this direction? N cap is equal to that particular vector A cross B divided by its modulus. Right. So, you should find A cross B first. Right. What is A cross B? A and B given. So, A cross B is equal to I cap, j cap, k cap. Right. 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1, right. So, I cap into, what is this, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, alright, minus j cap into 1 plus 4, right, plus k cap into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2. So, the vector is, A cross B vector is, that is minus I cap, right, minus 5 j cap, right, minus 3 k cap, right, minus 3 k cap. Alright. Now, the modulus of this is square root of minus 1 square root of minus 1 square plus minus 5 square plus minus 3 square, that is square root of 1 plus 25 plus 9, then that is root 35, right. So, which is the option? Option D is correct, right? Minus I cap minus 5j minus 3k cap and root 35, alright.